Hello guys, review INFINIX HOT 40. This version 8GB RAM and 256GB Intel memory. Open box and look complectation. In complectation we have protected back cover, adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Okay. Now talk about device. We have triple camera on the back side, on this side power button and volume buttons, upside speaker, first speaker, Type-C port and headphones jack. Turn on device. Okay. Open settings. We have Android 13 and XOS version 13.5.0. Close this. Look into the benchmark results. Okay, onto the benchmark results and Geekbench 6 look results. CPU test results and GPU test results. We have MediaTek MT6769, 6 plus 2 cores and GPU Mali G52MC2. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Now open camera. I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.